Morning, my name is Komal Ankush Kaye. Today I will topic about discuss the Argus system. Description: Oracle Argus Safety Essential is a online learning course that covers the basic and advanced concept of managing drug safety data using the Oracle Argus Safety application. The course starts with an overview of Oracle Argus Safety 8.1 and then covers a more detailed look at the various database features, case entry, workflow, and reporting. It is intended for students and clinical research professionals who are willing to make a career in pharmacovigilance using the Oracle Argus platform. The course includes hands-on practical training on Oracle Argus safety software used to defect standard for managing drug safety data. The program is made up of one module, 8 topics, and 9 quizzes. It first covers the required topics on pharmacovigilance and takes you through the process of navigating on the Oracle Argus safety application. It then covers all the pharmacovigilance tasks performed in Oracle Argus safety, including case entry, case triage, medical coding, medical review, narrative writing, quality control, and reporting. On completing your enrollment for the Oracle Argus Safety Essential program, you will instantly get access to our online learning portal and the Oracle Argus Safety software. These courses include access to latest version Oracle Argus Safety version 8.2.3.1, the hands-on practical experience, in this chapter, Overview and Navigation. In this chapter, you shall learn the process of logging and navigating through the Oracle Argus Safety user interface. This chapter shall also cover the various user interface elements of the Oracle Argus Safety application and the functionality of each element. Chapter 2, Business Process Workflow. In this chapter we shall discuss the business process and workflow of basic signal case within Argus Safety. Chapter 3, Case Entry and Processing. In this chapter we shall discuss how to work with cases using the standard workflow of case management within Argus Safety. This would include the process of booking in a case, performing case entry, processing the case, performing medical and coding review, and printing medical summaries. The process of performing case operations such as closing, copying, and reviewing case shall also be discussed. Chapter 4, Case from Features and Work List. This chapter will cover the various features of the case from and their functions, the various types of the case from and their utility in the process of management of safety related data shall be discussed. Chapter 5, Coding Terms and MEDRA Browsers. This chapter describes the MEDRA Medical Dictionary for Regulatory Activities browser and how it is used to encode disease, symptoms, sign, and so forth in Argus Safety using such as a dictionary provide consistency when assigning terms for adverse event. Chapter 6, Advanced Condition. This chapter provides information about advanced condition, a powerful search tool within Oracle Argus Safety that enables you to build complex queries for retrieving system data. Chapter 7, Dashboard and Utilizers. These chapters describe the various types of information available on the dashboard and the utilities functions available that allow the user to review, change, or retrieve case related information. Chapter 8, Reporting and Submission. In this chapter we shall discuss about the regulatory requirement for reporting adverse event cases and the reporting capability of Argus safety, so we shall also understand the serious adverse event reconciliation process and modules, as well as the study unblinding process and module.